Every day I see new headlines, AI is coding entire apps, or the end of software developers. And honestly, it makes me stop and think, is this the future I signed up for as a developer? Today, I want to dive into this question: will AI really replace developers? Or is there more to the story? Let's start with what's happening right now. AI tools are everywhere. If you've used GitHub Copilot or even ChatGPT, you know how quickly they can churn out code, fix bugs, or generate documentation. And honestly, it's pretty amazing. I've used these tools myself, and I won't lie, they make me more productive. Writing boilerplate code, done in seconds, debugging. AI can often spot mistakes I miss. But here's the thing. These tools are far from perfect. They're assistants, not magicians. I've had moments where AI suggested code that looked great, until I tried running it and everything broke. It's like having an intern who's brilliant, but sometimes makes wild guesses. This brings me to an important point. AI isn't creative. It's not going to come up with groundbreaking app ideas or design user experiences that blow people away. That's on us, the developers. Think about it. If you ask an AI to build a website, it might give you a basic template, but if you need a truly innovative, user-friendly design that solves a unique problem, that's where human creativity shines. No matter how advanced AI gets, it's only as good as the data it's trained on. Another area where AI just can't compete is understanding context. Let's say I'm building a custom app for a business. I need to understand their goals, their audience, and the specific challenges they're trying to solve. AI doesn't get these things. It can't sit in a meeting and interpret vague requirements or navigate the politics of a project. That's all human work. Now let's talk about the future. AI is going to keep getting better, there's no doubt about that. I can imagine a world where AI handles almost all the repetitive coding tasks. Need to set up an API? Done. Debugging complex systems? Handled. But does that mean developers are out of a job? Absolutely not. Instead, I think our roles will evolve. We'll spend less time on routine tasks and more time on strategy, architecture, and innovation. It's not about replacement, it's about collaboration. But here's a reality check. If we want to stay relevant, we need to adapt. I'm already seeing a shift. Developers are learning to integrate AI into their workflows, to think critically about how and when to use it. And if you're not doing this yet, it's time to start. The future of development isn't about fighting AI, it's about working with it. So, will AI replace developers? No, but it will change the game. The developers who thrive will be the ones who embrace this change, who see AI not as a threat, but as an opportunity to level up. What do you think? Are you excited about this AI-driven future, or does it make you nervous? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech. And hey, share this video with your developer friends who might be wondering about their future too.